Prophets in Islam series. 25 Prophets, 1 message, 1 God. Number 7. Lūṭ alayhi salam. Name: Lūṭ alayhi salam. Birth and lineage: Lūṭ ibn Haran, nephew of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Born in the region of Babylon, Iraq. Lūṭ alayhi salam believed in Ibrahim's message and migrated with him. Wife: unnamed in the Qur'an, referred to as a disbeliever, she supported the wrongdoing of the people and was left behind in the punishment. Except his wife, she was of those who remained behind. Daughters: mentioned in the Qur'an but unnamed, believed to be righteous and saved with him. These are my daughters, they are purer for you. Sons: no sons are mentioned in authentic sources. The people of Sodom lived in the cities of Sodom and Gomorrah, southern Dead Sea region, known for widespread immorality, especially homosexuality. You approach men with desire instead of women. Prophethood and message: sent by Allah to call them to Tawheed and moral purity. Will you not fear Allah? His message was met with hostility and mockery. Their rejection: they threatened him and demanded he stop preaching. If you do not desist, O Lūṭ, you will surely be expelled. Refused to repent and persisted in sins openly. The visiting angels: Allah sent angels in human form to Prophet Lūṭ alayhi salam. He was distressed as his people approached with evil intent. Do not disgrace me concerning my guests. The punishment: a cry from the sky, followed by violent earthquake. The cities were turned upside down and rain of stones followed. So we made the highest part of the city its lowest, and rained upon them stones of hard clay. Salvation of Lūṭ alayhi salam and his daughters. Allah commanded him to leave at night. So we saved him and his family, except for his wife. They were rescued before the punishment fell. Death: exact location and age not authentically known. Grave: tradition suggests he lived in the region of Zor, but no confirmed burial site. Legacy: mentioned in over 10 surahs: Hud, Al-A'raf, Ash-Shu'ara, Al-Hijr, An-Naml, and more. A symbol of divine justice and moral boundaries. His story is a warning for all generations. Key qualities: chaste, patient, sincere in dawah, stood alone against an entire corrupt nation, courageous protector of his guests and people's dignity. All this is backed by authentic, verified Qur'an and Hadith only. Kindly like, share and subscribe for more Prophet facts.